In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to terminate an employee in Xero Payroll. Terminating an employee in Xero Payroll involves several steps and requires careful attention to ensure it's done correctly and in compliance with relevant regulations. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, we begin by logging into Xero. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your credentials to access your Xero dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage all aspects of your business's accounting needs, including payroll. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the payroll section. From the main menu, click on payroll and then select employees. This will show you a list of all active employees, making it easy for you to find the person you're looking to terminate. Next, you'll need to select the employee you wish to terminate. Click on their name, which will open their payroll profile. This profile contains all the crucial details about their employment, from payment history to ongoing entitlements. In this profile, head to the Employment tab. Here, you'll enter a termination date, which is essentially the employee's final day of employment with your company. Once you have the termination date set, it's important to check and update some additional employment details. You'll want to review the final pay period, making sure it aligns with the termination date you've set. Also, look at any unused leave balances like annual leave or holiday pay and ensure they are correctly documented. Additionally, if there are any entitlements or deductions that need to be adjusted or settled, make sure those are up to date as well. After finalizing these details, it's time to process the final pay, navigate to payroll, and then pay employees. From here, you'll run a pay run for the employee's final pay, which should include all outstanding wages, any payouts for unused leave, and any final deductions that need to be accounted for. Once everything is accurate, approve and post the pay run. Depending on where your business operates, the next step may require filing with the appropriate tax authorities. For example, if you're in Australia, you'll need to submit an STP finalization. In New Zealand, ensure you filed PAYE correctly with the IRD. For those in the UK, make sure your RTI submission includes all final payment details. Finally, with the final pay process, the last task is to archive the employee. Go back to their profile and change their status to archived. This ensures they no longer appear in active payroll, but their history and details remain safely stored within Xero for future reference. And that's it! You've now successfully terminated an employee in Xero Payroll. This process, while precise, is straightforward when you follow each step carefully, ensuring compliance and accuracy throughout the transaction.